Hello guys, my name is Pradeep and you are watching T Developers. In this video, let's see another list of top 5 Flutter packages for beautiful UI development. At the end of this video, there is a bonus package, so watch video till end. I have listed these packages in descending order of their likes on pub.dev. So before we start, if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video. So starting from the first place, today's first package is Flutter Slidable. This package is Flutter's favorite and available on all of the platforms supported by Flutter, and also it supports sound null safety. So when you can use this package, as you can see on the screen, when you want to implement swiping effect on a list tile or on your list of items, then you can use this package. A great example is Gmail application, where we can swipe the list of message and perform some action like achieving the message and deleting the message. Some key features are like accept primary top left and secondary right bottom widgets. It can be dismissed 4 built-in action panes, 2 built-in slide action widgets, 1 built-in dismiss animation, and some other features you can read. I will give the link of these packages in the description, so you can directly check these out. So moving on the next, on the second place we have Animated Text Kit. It is also a Flutter favorite package and available on all of the platform supported by Flutter. In fact, today all of the packages are supported by all of the platform. It also supports sound null safety, and it can be used for implementing beautiful text animation on the screen. You can see there are different text style. You can see on the screen these type of cool text animation you can use on your Flutter application. So moving on, next on the third place we have Flutter Spin Kit. It supports sound null safety, and it also supports all of the available platform, and you can see the examples. Generally we use circular progress indicator while showing the loading screen, but after using this package you can add these beautiful loading animation on your Flutter application. When you want to show loading screen on your application, you can use this package, and you can implement these type of beautiful loading screen animation. So today's fourth package is Flutter Swiper. If you have watched my latest video where we develop Instagram Reels UI clone, then we use this package there for implementing vertical swiping effect. This package is very useful while implementing this type of slidable effect in your application. You can see on the screen it supports vertical sliding, full screen sliding, horizontal sliding, and you can see on the screen many other type of features. So moving on, next on the fifth place we have Flip Card. This is a new package that can be used for implementing flip animation on the widgets. You can see on the screen very beautiful flip animation, and very simple to use. Just you need to give the flip direction and front and back widgets. So let's move towards bonus package. So today's bonus package is Floating Text. It is also available on all of the platform, and it supports null safety, but in beta mode. It is not in stable mode still. And why I have mention this package because this can be used for implementing simple text animation on your Flutter application like this you can see on the screen. Some key features are like lightweight 100 lines of code inside package, support any text on screen, custom style for floating text, animated text, and highly customizable, easy to use. You can see on the example, very easy to use. So these were today's packages list for implementing beautiful UI on your screen.